Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G22 and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and after that click here to connect devices. Then tap here to connection preferences and here you'll see the NFC section top ones, and just to activate NFC you should click here once on the switcher, and to turn it off click on the switcher again. Here we can see the NFC icon on our status bar. If we'll turn on the switcher, we'll just activate we'll just show the NFC icon here, as can you see on our top bar. And we can also turn off this feature here. We can switch contactless payments and use just to switch the default payment method here. If you want to turn it off, click once again on the NFC switcher. And here also you can go to the top bar and you'll see the NFC icon. Just click once to activate it, and to turn it off click on this icon again. So as can you see, that's really simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.